Turn on the tap. नल को लाओ का. Turn on the tap. Turn off the tap. नल बंद का. Turn off the tap. He is probably hungry. کېدای شي هغه وږی دی. He is probably hungry. Should we leave now? آیا اوس موږ وځو؟ Should we leave now? I was about to eat. زه خوراک کولو والا وم. I was about to eat. I was about to leave. زه تلو والا وم. I was about to leave. What should I wear? ما له څه اغوسته پکار دي. What should I wear? For the party today. نن د پارټۍ د پاره. For the party today. We are not in talking terms these days. نن سبا زمون خبرې بند دي. We are not in talking terms these days. Don't make me angry. ما قاروه ما. Don't make me angry. What is prepared for food today? نن په خوراک کې څه تیار دي. What is prepared for food today? It's raining. باران وریږي. It's raining. It's very hot today. نن ډېره ګرمي ده. It's very hot today. There is complete snow on the road. په ټول سړک واوره پرته ده. There is complete snow on the road. How cold is it today? نن څومره یخني ده. How cold is it today? Don't forget. یېروه مه. Don't forget. Who is it? څوک دی. Who is it? It's me. زه یم. It's me. I am feeling sleepy. ما له خوب راغلی. I am feeling sleepy. Put on the shoes. پایزار په خپو کا. Put on the shoes. Take up the shoes. پایزار وکاږه. Take up the shoes. Switch on the fan. پنکه چالو کا. Switch on the fan. Switch off the fan. پنکه بند کا. Switch off the fan. Today I am very anxious. نن زه ډېر خفه یم. Today I am very anxious. He has diabetes. د هغه شوګر دی. He has diabetes. Don't abuse him. هغه ته کنځل مه کوه. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse her. هغې ته کنځل مه کوه. Don't abuse her. What does it mean? د دې څه مطلب دی. What does it mean? Remove the cup from the table. د میز نه پیاله لرې کا. Remove the cup from the table. I will have to think. ما له به سوچ کولی. I will have to think. I am used to tea. د چای عادت می دی. I am used to tea. You don't have to hurry. تاله تادی نه ده پکار. You don't have to hurry. You have to wait for hours. تاله به په ګنټو انتظار کولی. You have to wait for hours. Wait for a while. لږ سات انتظار وکا. Wait for a while. Now we have to do something. وز به مونږ له څه نه څه کولی. Now we have to do something. He turned 18 yesterday. پرون هغه د 18 کالو شو. He turned 18 yesterday. She always looks in a hurry. هغه تل په تادۍ کې ښکاري. She always looks in a hurry. What does it mean? د دې څه مطلب دی؟ What does it mean? Are you in your senses? په هوش کې هو یې کنه. Are you in your senses? Let me go. تلو ته می پریدا. Let me go. What do you think? تا ته څه ښکاري. What do you think? دا ښکارېدل په سترګو باندې چې کوم څیز ښکاري د هغې دپاره نه راځي. دا په ذهن کې چې یو شي ښکاري د هغې دپاره راځي. یعنې په ذهن کې چې سړی امیجنیشن کوي نو د هغې دپاره استعمالیږي. Go and sleep. ځه او اوده شه. Go and sleep. Why do you blush so much? ته دومره شرمېږې ولې؟ Why do you blush so much? Your phone is ringing. ستا فون بجاویږي. Your phone is ringing. Speak aloud. په تیزه وایه. Speak aloud. Don't make excuses. بانې مه جوړوه. Don't make excuses. You are a coward. ته یرندوکی یې. You are a coward. Today was fun. نن خو مزه راغله. Today was fun. I will help him. زه به د هغه مدد کوم. I will help him. Keep this away. دا لرې کېږدوه. Keep this away. Get away. لرې شه. Get away. Look here. دې خوا وګوره. Look here. How sweet. څومره ښکلی. How sweet. How sad. څومره د خفګان خبره ده. How sad. Is it true? آیا دا رښتیا دي؟ Is it true? Listen please. مهرباني وکه واوره. Listen please. I am not able to open this knot. زه دا غوټه نشم کولا وهلی. I am not able to open this knot. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.